Hey, welcome to 333 Fish Camp, Backwoods, Florida Adventures. Today, I've been fishing this place really hard for the last couple days. Haven't been doing much at all. So I had to bring in an expert on this lake, Ryan Crowley. He's getting his boat ready back over here. The fog is just now lifting where we can run around. And but here at the beautiful 333 Fish Camp on Crescent Lake in Crescent City, Florida. So we're gonna go after it, see what happens. And if you want to check out some more content from Ryan Crowley, I'll leave you the link right down in the description box below. Wind caught me. Oh, there he is. Oh. He was running at me when I set the hook. Don't think that was a bass. I think that was a gar. Oh, there we go. Getting in the pads. What'd you throw in there?
Speed one.
Oh. It's so dark I can't even see it against this black water. Well, he did me. It might be a gar. I don't know. Oh shit! I'm curved around now. I'm gonna make a swing through there.
I got your ass that time. This is a good one. This is a good one, right? Feels like a good one anyway. I ain't as good as I thought he was. He's just strong. I couldn't turn his head when he first hit it. Just a fat old St. Johns River largemouth right there. Pretty one.
Yep.
Number 2 for the trick worm. Biggin. He's got me wrapped up in something, I think. Either that, he's just a huge one, dude. Where I got him. Oh my God. Oh my God, Ryan. Oh shit. Oh crap. Stay on. Stay on. Now I sound like all those guys on YouTube. Come on, baby. Oh, Jesus. Oh. There we go.
That's a lot.
One for the scales and one for a trip back to the fish camp. Probably 5-pounder.
We'll find out. Hold that. So I knew something had to work.
Pretty skinny. On camera. 513. Nope.
509.
509. So 5-pounder. Let's stick him in a live well and give him a ride back to fish camp. Take some pictures up there. God, the way that bait just stopped, I thought it was like a 10-pound fish, or I was hung in a log or something. Whew. Right on. And GoPro was running when I caught it. From the time I cast till the time I got him. And man's classic right there. Told you. You have to buy them online. They don't even sell them in the store no more. That fish got like an 8-pound head, but got a 4-pound body. He came all the way out of the water, about a 2-pounder. Oh, God damn. Shit out of it. Thomas, Damn it. 2 short strikes in a row right there. I'm too excited right now. Oh, whacked it twice. I don't have a stinger hook on this one.
You got gold blades?
Gold. Holy crap. I think they're fixing to turn on. Okay, that's a log right there I'm hitting. Trying to get over there toward that stump again. I don't know if he was around something when I first hooked him or what, because I couldn't move him. All right, baby. Go have fun.
Well done, sir.